Hi everyone. Today we will start with MCQs from the NCERT exemplar. Okay, so the first question is all eukaryotic unicellular organisms belong to. So all the eukaryotic unicellular organisms belong to which of these? Monera. Monera is what? Prokaryotic unicellular organisms. Okay, Protista, yes. Fungi is what? Fungi is a different kingdom, and bacteria falls under. No, bacteria falls under Monera. Okay, so the answer you have is Protista. Now.
अच्छा निकल गए क्या? मैं यही सोच रही थी, मैंने कहा कब तक निकल
Okay, 1 second. Let's try a different color.
अच्छा,
I like this glitter. Now the five kingdom classification was proposed by R.S. Whittaker. ठीक है, Linnaeus के टाइम पे तो क्या था? Plants था और animals था. Okay, Linnaeus के टाइम में ये दोनों था. A.X. Roxburgh no mention. Virchow gave omnis cellula e cellula. Okay, whatever, I have not written it properly, but anyways. Oh no, I like this shade. Anyways, oh no. Okay, take a screenshot in case you want to know. Okay. I don't want anything. How do you go down? Okay, and then you go down. Why isn't it going down? One second. Okay, fine. Right now, organisms living in salty areas are called as. ठीक है, तो इनको क्या बोलते हैं? मेथानोजेंस. क्या होते हैं मेथानोजेंस? वो होते हैं जो कि मीथेन प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. राइट, हैलोफाइल्स, यस. हीलियोफाइल्स, आई डोंट नो. थर्मासिडोफाइल्स आर those that live in thermal hot water springs. Right, now naked cytoplasm, multinucleated and saprophytic, is the characteristic of. Okay, now of which is the characteristic? Naked cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is naked, it has many nucleus, and it is saprophytic. So monera is a whole. Monera matlab ki pura ka pura monera. That is not the truth. For bacteria it is not true. Protista, no, because these are full kingdoms. It's just one particular species that is like this. So the answer is slime mold. Slime mold is a part of, yeah, slime mold. Okay, that's the answer. And yes, then X, what's happening? Why is it drawing? Hटा दिया ना मैंने draw. Why is it drawing? This is actually a little confusing, you know. Draw हटा ही नहीं सकते यार, पर draw करना शुरू किया तो you can't stop drawing until you go to a different. कुछ नहीं चाहिए मुझे भाई, तो नीचे जा. Okay, an association between roots of higher plants. An association between roots of higher plants and fungi is called. So roots and fungi, the association is mycorrhiza. Lichen is between algae and fungi. Fern is a whole different organism. Okay, fern is a different organism in itself. And BGA, I don't know what that is. So you can go ahead. Okay, then moving on. A dikaryon is formed when? Dikaryon matlab two nuclei. Okay, two nuclei. So meiosis is arrested. When is it formed? Meiosis is arrested, the two haploid cells do not fuse. Okay, what happens in dikaryon is these are your two cells. Okay, and they have got they have got a nice little nucleus. Okay, these are the nucleus. Now let's see the cytoplasms. Now when they're fusing, actually when they're undergoing the type of reproduction where they have to fuse, so when they are fusing, okay, they tend to fuse like this. Okay, they fuse nicely, and then क्या होता है कि उनका जो एरेज, बट क्या होता है कि वो फ्यूज़ हो गए, ठीक है, अब ये फ्यूज़ हो गए बट इनके प्रोटोप्लाज्म्स फ्यूज़ हो गए बट इनका न्यूक्लियस नहीं फ्यूज़ हुआ, तो उस केस में क्या हो जाता है, दो न्यूक्लियस हो जाते हैं. तो दिस इज़ व्हेन द टू हाइप्लॉइड सेल्स डू नॉट फ्यूज़ इमीडिएटली. ओके, एंड साइटोप्लाज्म डज नॉट फ्यूज़, नहीं वो तो फ्यूज़ हो गया, न्यूक्लियस नहीं फ्यूज़ हुआ है, ठीक है. एनीवेज, मूविंग ऑन. एक सोल्यूशन क्या था. नाउ कंटेजियम विविडियम, Contagium vividum fidium was proposed by Ivanovsky, नहीं, Bajornik. Contagium vivum fidium ये एनसीईआरटी में कहीं पे दिया हुआ है, बट बाइजरनिक ने ये प्रपोज किया था, ठीक है. एसोसिएशन बिटवीन माइकोबाइंट एंड फाइकोबाइंट. नाउ माइकोबाइंट इज व्हाट, माइकोबाइंट इज द फंगल पार्ट ऑफ lichens and phycobiont is the plant part of or algal part of lichens. So mycorrhiza is between roots, root nahi, lichens. Okay, then डिफरेंस बिटवीन वायरस एंड वायरॉइड इज, वायरस और वायरॉइड के बीच में नाम के अलावा क्या डिफरेंस है, ठीक है. एब्सेंस ऑफ प्रोटीन कोड इन वायरॉइड बट प्रेजेंट इन वायरस. यस, वायरॉइड इज अ लॉट स्मॉलर दैन अ वायरस, तो यही आंसर है. प्रेजेंस ऑफ लो मॉलिक्यूलर वेट आरएनए इन वायरस बट एब्सेंट, ये उल्टा है. वायरॉइड में जो है लो मॉलिक्यूलर वेट का आरएनए होता है, बट वायरॉइड में लो मॉलिक्यूलर वेट होता है, एंड वायरस में जो है हाई मॉलिक्यूलर वेट. बोथ ए एंड बी नो, बिकॉज बी इज रॉन्ग, हमें अपना आंसर मिल गया नन ऑफ द अबव, इसलिए ये रॉन्ग है. देन select objects with respect to fungal sexual cycle, choose the correct sequence of events. Karyogamy, plasmogamy and meiosis. Meiosis, plasmogamy, gosh, ये मुझे काफ़ी confusing लगते हैं questions, तो let's have a look. Okay. यस, तो पहला क्या होगा, सबसे पहले क्या होगा कि पहले उनके प्रोटोप्लाज्म्स फ्यूज़ होंगे, ठीक है, फिर उनके न्यूक्लियस फ्यूज़ होंगे, फिर मियोसिस. ऑप्शन सी इज़ द आंसर. व्हेन दे आर बीइंग डिवाइडेड, सबसे पहले फ्यूजन ऑफ प्रोटोप्लाज्म होता है, ठीक है, देन देयर इज़ अ फ्यूजन ऑफ न्यूक्लियस, न्यूक्लियस इज लेट. ओके, एंड लास्टली देयर इज़ अ लिटिल मियोसिस. एक सेकेंड, मेरा स्टाइलस, हाँ, तो लास्टली जो है तुम्हारा मियोसिस लास्ट में आता है, ठीक है, मियोसिस सबसे पहले नहीं, मियोसिस लास्ट में आता है. नाउ viruses are non-cellular organisms but replicate themselves once they infect the host cell, ठीक है, they are non-cellular but they replicate themselves once they infect the host cell. To which of the following kingdom do viruses belong to? Viruses do not belong to any of these, क्योंकि viruses isn't a part of 5 kingdom classification, ठीक है, viruses are not a part of the 5 kingdom classification. Members of physomycetes are found in, physomycetes के members कहाँ पे मिलते हैं, ठीक है, aquatic habitats, on decaying wood, moist and damp places, as obligate parasites on plants. All of the above. Answer is all of the above. They found in aquatic habitats, decaying wood, moist and damp places, obligate parasites on plants. हर जगह मिलता है, ठीक है. फिर आगे very short answer questions, ठीक है. What is the principle underlying the use of cyanobacteria in agricultural field for crop improvement? क्यों हम use करते हैं? Cyanobacteria are capable of fixing nitrogen with the help of specialized cells called heterocysts, ठीक है. वो क्या कर सकते हैं, वो nitrogen fixing bacteria होता है, उनके पास एक specialized cell होता है which is called what, which is called heterocyst, because of which they can fix nitrogen. They enrich the soil fertility. इससे क्या होता है, they enrich the soil fertility with the help of that particular heterocyst. Okay, hence BGAs are what, blue green algae. BGA अब पता चला, BGA मतलब blue green algae. My gosh, BGA is what, blue green algae, ठीक है, बीजे मतलब ब्लू ग्रीन algae आर यूज्ड इन एग्रीकल्चरल फील्ड्स, एग्जांपल्स कॉलोनीज ऑफ नॉस्टॉक एंड एनाबीना, ये दोनों ग्रो करते हैं पैडी फील्ड्स में, जिससे जो है नाइट्रोजन फिक्स हो जाए. Then, suppose you accidentally find an old preserved permanent slide without a label. In your effort to identify it, you place the slide under the microscope and observe the following features. So, first of all, you see it is unicellular. Then you see there's a well-defined nucleus, and it is biflagellate. One flagellum lying longitudinally, and the other one is lying transversely. Okay, what would you identify it as, and can you name the kingdom it belongs to? It belongs to what? It has a well defined nucleus, that is a eukaryote for sure, so it will belong to Protista. Okay, according to listed feature, the organism must be a dinoflagellate. Okay, and all eukaryotic unicellular organisms belong to the kingdom Protista. Then let's talk about this. How is the five kingdom classification advantageous over the two kingdom classification? Two kingdom classification did not distinguish between prokaryotes and eukaryotes. It did not distinguish between those two, did not distinguish between unicellular and multicellular, and did not distinguish between autotrophic and heterotrophic. So it was actually kind of worthless. Now, polluted water bodies usually have a very high abundance of plants like nostoc and Oxyloteria. Give reason. Polluted water bodies are rich in nutrients, especially in nitrogen content. They are very rich, which provides favorable conditions to algae like nostoc and Oxyloteria. Because they are rich in this nitrogen content, they provide a good amount of condition to nostoc and Oxyloteria to bloom in water bodies. Are chemosynthetic bacteria autotrophic or heterotrophic? They are autotrophic. Even though they use chemicals to synthesize, they are still synthesizing by themselves, so they are autotrophic. They gain energy for synthesis of food by oxidizing inorganic substances. Okay, they oxidize the inorganic substances, and from that they gain ATP. So that is why they are this. The common name of pea is simpler than its botanical or scientific name. Okay, Pisum sativum, this is the name, and common name तो क्या है? Pea. Why then is the simpler common name not used instead of the complex biological name? Now, pea is known by different names in different countries. Now, if you say pea in a different country, they might not identify. Rather even two English speaking countries, like in some places they call it the grocery store, while in other places they call it supermarket. So that way they cannot identify. So instead of calling a variety of names, scientific names are provided which are same in world throughout. It's a worldwide standardization of the name. Now, a virus is considered as a living organism and an obligate parasite when inside a host cell. But the virus is not classified along with bacteria or fungi. What are the characters of the virus that are similar to non-living objects? They have no complete cellular structure, don't show growth, division, metabolism, and lack respiration. High specific gravity, don't follow Robert Koch's postulate. ये पढ़ना पड़ेगा. Cannot be grown under in vitro conditions. So viruses have so many things that are similar to non-living objects. In five kingdom system of Whittaker, how many kingdoms are eukaryotes? Okay, यूकैरियोट्स प्रोटिस्टा, फंगाई, प्लांटे, एनिमलिया. जो मोनेरा है वो एक अकेला प्रोटिस्टा या प्रोकैरियोट किंगडम है. ठीक है, दिस मच इज इनफ फॉर योर फर्स्ट टर्म, so we will do the next time.